Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Shara Chanel. Please subscribe. So today I'm going to be trying these clip-ins from Sally's. I'll show them to you guys. Yeah, they're 18-inch black. Well, I had highlights, brown highlights, but you know, it was hard to find the clip-ins with the highlights. They didn't have those at Sally's, so I just said, you know what, let me just make it easier and just dye it black. I dyed it black. I've been wearing it natural though for like a couple months. I haven't been feeling like straightening it. I think it's been helping too because less heat on it. But you know, I wanted to change it up a little bit, give me a little different look. So I just went ahead. I said, you know what, last time I glued tracks in. That was my first time ever doing that. I glued them in. That was an experience, but I'm gonna try the glue remover if I do it again, but you know, it wasn't bad. So I probably would do that again. I guess I'm gonna see how these clip-ins do first. I guess that'll determine. I'm gonna show you the brand. These are Euronext is what it's called. 18-inch human hair extensions. Is that what it says? So I don't know if this is Sally's brand or if they just carry this. I'm assuming they just carry this brand there. Yeah, so I got them in black. So now I'm just straight black now. You know, I've been liking it. Okay, when I wear it natural, I wear a lot of mousse and gel. So I gotta wash it, straighten it of course. So I'm gonna try to get it super straight. Hopefully these will blend really well. And I'm gonna see how it goes. Wish me luck. And I'm gonna show you guys the final product. So I straightened it. Okay, I haven't put the tracks in yet, but this is just me straight right now. It's gotten so long since I've been wearing it natural. I haven't seen it straight in a while, but I just want to add a little bit more to it. So here they are. I want you guys to see me taking them out. I'm gonna open them. Ooh, they're a little difficult. Yep. I want to see how they, you know, how it feels. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Nice. I don't know, my hair's gotten long. It might be not long enough. I might need to go to 22 inches, you guys. Or 20 inches, I think. Oh my goodness, it feels so nice. You guys think it's gonna blend well? It's kind of blunt at the end. Oh, I can't wait, guys. So I'm gonna show you what they look like with the, oh, they got a little snap. Okay. Well, aren't they pretty? Oh, guys, they do feel good though. I don't know, you guys, I'm thinking that, okay, it's just gonna be a little more length. So I'm gonna see how they go. Just a little more length and body. I think in like pictures that helps out when you have like a little more length and a little more body. I think next time I'm gonna go to, I'm gonna do 20 inches next time. And then they have these tape-in ones. I seen those. The last time I was there, they were tape-in. I think they were called tape-in. They got a rubber band around them. Maybe I should cut that. Okay, see the clips? They're like little clips. So I guess that's what's gonna, that's probably the back. Oh, they got different lengths. All right, guys, we'll see. Oh, look, they even got like, wait a minute, hold on. What's these, y'all? These don't even have a clip. I don't get those. Two free clips inside. That's what it says. 2 free clips inside. I don't see them. Anyways, I'm gonna get to adding them. I was gonna do it off camera, but I said, let me go ahead and do this on camera. So you guys can see me do it. Let me see if I have a clip for my hair. So I'm gonna start in the back. This is probably the longest one, so I'm gonna start in the back. Let me see how these go. Oh, they like the one little clips. You just pop them out that way. Okay. I'm putting them in. So I'm gonna do the outer corners. You just gotta make sure it grabs some hair. Just comb, push a little comb through and then secure it. It's like a little pop. You bend it back the other way. Okay, so I got one in. So blending is what I gotta make sure it's gonna go right, the blending part. All right, that's one. I ain't even gonna make sure the parts are all even or anything. I got a mirror right behind the camera, guys, so I can kind of see. It's hot as hell today. It's hot as hell today. I'm just gonna let y'all know. It is hot as hell. While I'm straightening my hair on the hottest day ever, I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna go. Okay, so this is probably the next size after that. That one seemed like that one was longer. This one's a little shorter. Okay, so I just make sure it grabs some hair. Push that little comb through. I want to get them close to the scalp. All right, then it's the middle clip I do last. Okay, I got two in. They feel so good though. Okay, they are longer than my hair. They're giving me length. Cause look, my hair, hold on. Where's my hair at? They're blending pretty well. This is my hair. And then that's how much longer. So yeah, it's giving me some length. Yes, yes, I'm doing it, y'all. All right. I like them a lot. I like them already. See, this is gonna be so convenient for me because sometimes when I go out, oh, you want something real convenient that you can just throw in your hair. You can just take these out, and when you get home, man, you don't have to worry about all that. Cause that glue, when I had those tracks in, whew, it's driving me crazy. After 3 weeks I had it in. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put these in. So I'm gonna just go on the side over here with this one. I'm gonna just kind of put them in there. See how you can kind of see the difference. This is my hair and this is the extra. Just a little more. But the body, oh, it feels so good though. They're soft. Oh, they're so soft. Alright, then I'm gonna put the other side in. Alright, pop the little clips out. Alright guys, I'm doing it. Okay. I gotta figure out what them was. It's got 2 little tracks in there, but no clips attached to it. Then it says 2 free clips inside, but I don't see no clips in there. That's kind of weird to me. All right, those are in. Oh, they're cute. And then these, there's like, let me see. Oh, they gave me 3 little ones. These have the clips, but then the other 2 don't have clips. So then I'm gonna just have to figure out how I'm gonna do these. You guys, I look crazy. I'm just throwing them in there, huh? I don't know what I did with my brush. Okay. They blended pretty good though. So then I could just look for little spots where I think I could just add the last 3. And then you want to make sure your hair is covering up. Enough hair to cover up the back. So you want to make sure you're blending it good and covering up the tracks. I think you need to get the sides pretty good. So I'm gonna put 1 under here. Make sure it's holding on. Okay, I added that one. There we go. I'm gonna put, so it'll be up to you if you want to get 2 packs, but I only needed 1 pack, I think. I don't need that much, you know. Yeah, my hair gets bulky if I do too much, so I'm gonna just put one right here. Okay, I'll put that one right there. And then I'm gonna look at the back and see what I'm doing. You guys see the bag? Alright, let me see. I got 1 more. Oh, I got 2 more. I didn't know that was 2 more. So then I could add, I don't even need any more. Uh-oh, y'all, I seen one. I seen a track. Gotta make sure that's covered though. I don't know what they doing outside. You guys, I live downtown, so it's always something going on. Like, it sounds like they're doing construction now. I'm talking about, I like downtown, but Jesus. Okay, so I added them in. I got 2 more left. They have clips, but I don't think I need any more. And then they gave me these 2 that have no clip on there. Isn't that weird? So I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. And I don't see the clips in the box. Look, I look crazy. Ain't nothing in there. Oh no. Maybe this little track. Oh, it's a little, oh, they give you a little instruction booklet. I didn't see that in there. Oh, okay, so you guys, they give you a little booklet, so that'll help you out. They show you how to pin your hair up and where to place them. So that, and then they got a whole range of colors. 14-inch, 18-inch. Oh, they might not have 20-inch, but I think those tape-in, I think they're called tape-in. I seen those. I might try those next time because I think that's supposed to be flatter than these. But I might try those out, but I think they had 20-inch in those. I don't know what they are doing. It's a big truck out there now. But okay, guys, so, oh Lord, sorry, but I'm gonna let you guys see the back. That's the back. What do you guys think? I got some length, y'all. I got length. I like them. All right, guys, so next time I'm gonna try the tape-in. I think it's called tape-in. They have those at Sally's, so that'll probably be the next review that I do. I also want to try a curly one, so I might do that. And stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I appreciate it. Please subscribe and like. Stay tuned for more videos.